Good morning, children. How are you? I'm fine. Activity number 4 on page number 18.
Mahesh wants to open an account in a bank. He goes to the bank. He meets the manager.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, you may. What can I do for you?
I want an SD account to be opened in the bank.
Okay, take this form. Fill in the details.
Sir, I have filled up the form.
Now, paste your photograph and sign it.
Here it is.
How much money do you want me to deposit?
Rupees 500.
Okay, now give your form and money to the cashier. He will give you a passbook.
Thank you, sir.
An example of this form is given in your textbook on page number 19 and it is activity number 5. ફોર્મની અંદર ઘણા શબ્દો એવા પણ છે જેનાથી તમે કદાચ અપરિચિત હો, તો આપણે એ શબ્દોની સમજૂતી મેળવી લઈએ અને પછી આપણે ફોર્મને સમજવાનો પ્રયત્ન કરીશું. Children, the name of the bank is Students Bank of India. Now children, look, this box is for office use. It means you don't have to fill this details. Now look at this box. This is also for office use. Children, see, here it is written date. You have to write the date, month and year. Children, see the next section. There are 5 instructions given. Children, the third section is about your personal details like your name, father's name, your date of birth, gender and many things. Now let's see the fourth section, correspondence address. This section is about your house address. It will also ask about your telephone number and also the mobile number. Children, the next section is about the additional details like your income, religion, education, occupation and many things. Children, turn your page, page number 20. બાળમિત્રો, તમને ખ્યાલ હશે કોઈ પણ ફોર્મ ભરતી વખતે આપણે પ્રૂફ ઓફ આઈડેન્ટિટી અવશ્ય જોડીએ છીએ અને પ્રૂફ ઓફ એડ્રેસ પણ સાથે જોડીએ છીએ. There is a list of various documents that you can give as your proof of identity. In the same way, there is a list of other documents which you can give as a proof of address, means where you are living. We don't have to give all the documents, children. We have to give only one document out of all these as proof of identity, and any one document from all this as proof of address. Children, let's see the next section, introduction details. In this section we have to fill the details of a person who already has an account in Students Bank of India. દાખલા તરીકે મહેશે પોતાનું અકાઉન્ટ ખોલાવ્યું હોય અને તમારું અકાઉન્ટ ખોલાવવાનું બાકી છે તો મહેશ તમારા માટે ઇન્ટ્રોડ્યુસર બની શકે છે અને એમની સિગ્નેચર અહીંયા કરવામાં આવશે. સિગ્નેચર ઓફ ધ ઇન્ટ્રોડ્યુસર. સૌથી છેલ્લે જુઓ બાળ મિત્રો. Look here carefully children. Signature of the applicant. The person who wants to open an account in the bank is known as applicant. When you fill the form, at last you have to sign the form. If you don't sign it, children, the form will not be accepted. So let's start filling up the form. Open page number 19 in your textbook. Be ready with the pencil. Students Bank of India. For office use only. CIF number, account number. Now students, this section will be filled by the bank because it is written office use only. So we will not fill this section. Branch to affix rubber stamp of name and code number. This is also filled by the bank. Date. Now children, date will be filled by us. So children, you have to write the date. For example, if it is 28 December, you will write 2/8/28 date. 1/2, that is month 12. Year 2015, 2015. So all of you write the date. Written? Very good. Children, I am reading the instructions. Listen carefully. Self first applicant. 1. Please fill up in block letters only and use black ink for signature. Please leave one box blank between two words. Tick the appropriate boxes. Number 2. Fields marked asterisks are not mandatory. Number 3. Please affix a passport size photograph in the box provided. Also enclose another photograph for affixing in the passbook. Number 4. For opening account of minors where proof of identity address is available, the same will be provided by father, mother and natural guardian. Number 5. In case of illiterate customers, left thumb impression LTI to be affixed and verified. બાળ મિત્રો 1 થી 5 જેટલી સૂચનાઓ અત્યારે મેં વાંચી એમાં ઘણા શબ્દો જે આપણે હમણાં શીખી ગયા એ તમને મળ્યા હશે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ બ્લોક, એસ્ટેરિક્સ, એફિક્સ, એન્ક્લોઝ, માઇનર, ઇલિટરેટ એટસેટ્રા. તો શબ્દો ધ્યાનથી સાંભળ્યું છે ને? This will help us in filling up the form. Now, children, the third section is about your personal details. Customer type, public, staff. So children, we will put a tick mark in public. Mr., Miss, Mrs., other. If you are a boy, you will tick in the box of Mr. If you are a girl, you will tick in the box of Miss. And children, I am married, so I will tick in the box of Mrs. But you remember, don't copy me. If you are a boy, please tick in the box of Mr. And if you are a girl, please tick in the box of Miss. I am married, so I am ticking in the box of Mrs. Senior citizen. We will not tick because we are not above the age of 55. Remember, children? Yes, very nice. Minor. We will not tick here because we are not below 10 years. Your age is above 10 years. So, we will not tick anything in senior citizen and in minor. Correct? Very nice. Name. Students, all of you see, here it is written first name, middle name, last name. First name. I will write my name, then in middle name I will write my husband's name, but you will write your father's name. In the column last name, you will write your surname. Students, I will write my name, but remember, you have to write your name. Let's start. S-U-M-A-N. My name is Suman.
I wrote in block letters.
S-U-M-A-N. Children, see, I have written in block letters. Remember? Capital letters. All of you are writing? I am waiting. Completed? Very good. Leave one box. Then write your father's name. I will write my husband's name and you write your father's name. A B H A Y. All of you write. I will repeat, children. Please write in block letters. If your friend is writing in small letters, you can correct your friend. તમે એને કહી શકો છો કે આપણે બ્લોક લેટર્સમાં જ ફોર્મ ભરવાનું હોય છે. Come on, raise your hands if you have completed. Okay, great, very nice. Again, leave one box and write your surname, which means the last name. P A N D E Y. Pandey. Name of father, husband, guardian. Children, we have to tick the appropriate option. I will tick husband.
हाथ पीछे ले लो और थोड़ा हाथ
Mr. Miss, Mrs. Other. So I will tick Mr. Students, I have put a tick mark in the box of Mr. You also put a tick mark in the appropriate box. Children, here I will write my husband's name, his middle name and surname. You also fill the details of your father's name. I am writing, you also start. Children, if you don't know the spelling, you can ask your teacher sitting with you. A B H A Y. All of you are writing. Now leave one box. All of you remember? We have to leave one box. Now write the middle name. Y O G E S H. Yogesh. Leave one box and write the surname. P A N D E Y. Pandey. Abhay Yogesh Pandey. I have written my husband's name, his middle name and surname. Children, you will write your father's name, his middle name and the surname. Date of birth. Children, I will write my birth date. You will write your birth date. All of you remember your birth date? Yes. બધાના ચહેરા ઉપર કેવું સ્માઇલ આવી ગઈ? D. Here we will write the date. 2/6/26. M. Month. My birth date is 26 January. January, first month. So I will write 01. Understood, children? 26/01. Now you will write the year. 1979. Children, my date of birth is 26 January 1979. 26 2601, first month, and the year is 1979. Gender: male, female. If you are a boy, you will put a tick mark in the box of male, and if you are a girl, you will put a tick mark in the box of female. I will put a tick mark in the box of female. You also put a tick mark in the appropriate box. Nationality: children, I am born in India, so I am an Indian. So I will write here Indian. You also write the appropriate word. I N D I A N, Indian. Children, remember you have to write in block letters. Status: married, unmarried, others. I am married, so I will tick in the box of married. You also tick in the appropriate box. Mother's maiden name: I will write my mother's name. Children, you have to write your mother's name. G A U R I. Gauri. See children, I have written in block letters. Don't forget. Please write in block letters. U I D. In these boxes, you will write your Aadhaar card number. બાળમિત્રો, એવું પણ બની શકે કે તમારું આધાર કાર્ડ આવી ગયું હોય પણ અત્યારે સ્કૂલમાં તમારી પાસે નથી અને ઘરે હોય તો તમે ઘરે પણ જઈને પૂછીને તમે તમારા ફોર્મમાં લખી શકો છો. UID of father, mother in case applicant is a minor. But children, we are not minor because we are above the age of 10 years. So we will leave the boxes blank. Correspondence address: current, residential, office. Children, you will write your house address. So I have an introducer who already has his account in the bank. He is Mr. Amit. So he will fill his details in the introduction part. Hello Mr. Amit.
Hello.
Please fill your introduction details.
Okay.
Children, see here it is written signature of the introducer. Mr. Amit has introduced me in this bank, so he has signed here. Children, the date when you go to the bank, you can write that date here. This will be done by bank. The bank will check the sign of introducer. Now, signature of the applicant. I am the applicant, so I will do my signature. You will do your signature here. So children, you all have enjoyed filling up the form, and I am sure all of you have filled the form with me and completed the form with your signature at last. So children, that's all for today. Keep learning, keep enjoying, have fun. I will see you in the next class. Bye bye.
Today's question: what do we find at the end of the most forms? And options are here. Option A, sign of the applicant. Option B, name of the applicant. Option C, gender of the applicant. Option D, city of the applicant. Now choose your correct answer and give your response to this toll-free number 6357399470. નમસ્કાર બાળ મિત્રો, તમે તારીખ 12/1/2021ના રોજ અહીં પૂછાયેલ પ્રશ્નોના જવાબ આપ્યા હતા. તેમાં પ્રથમ 10 ક્રમમાં સ્થાન મેળવેલ વિદ્યાર્થીઓની યાદી નીચે મુજબ છે. 1. હેતવી મિનેશભાઈ ચૌધરી. 2. નયનસિંહ મનહરસિંહ પરમાર. 3. યાજ્ઞિક કુમાર ચંદુભાઈ ધાપા. 4. ધૈર્ય પ્રકાશભાઈ રાઠોડ. 5. ફાલ્ગુનીબેન રાયસંગજી ઠાકોર. 6. જયંસી દિનેશભાઈ અગરા. 7. તેજલ ધીરજભાઈ પરમાર. 8. પંડ્યા યાના જીતેન્દ્ર કુમાર. 9. મહેકબેન મનુભાઈ બારડ. 10. ઈશિકા કિશોર